He flew here and there in search of water. He saw a jug in the garden. Our water was very low. He could not drink it. He put some salt into the jug. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away.
Okay, thank you.